Symphytum plant, herbal supplement for the body. Money plant brings prosperity and good wealth. Spider plant purifies air and absorbs ozone. Dumb cane improves air quality. Birds of paradise plant release oxygen and harmful toxins. Croton plant seeds used to cleanse stomach and intestines. Aloe plant heals cuts, burns, hair. Alocasia plant cleans indoor air. Snake plant effective against allergies and produce oxygen. Bamboo plant brings good luck and good fortune. Lipstick plant purifies air and absorbs CO2. Monstera plant purify and humidify air.